W2 from Walmart. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to get my W2 from Walmart. So let's get started. For current Walmart employees, go to the OneWalmart website and log in with your account details. Then navigate to the MI section and here tap on My Money. You will see an option Text Center. Click on it and now you can view or download your W2 form from there. For former Walmart employees, go to www.mytaxform.com website and here enter your Walmart's employee code 10108 when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and access your W2 form. If you need any help, call W2 Support at 1-877-325-9239 for assistance. And that's how you will be able to get your W2 from Walmart.